Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tuesday and we are at Target, which means it's Target Tuesday. And this week we're just going to do one deal, and it's going to be the spend 40 get a $10 gift card. It is for household items like garbage bags and Ziploc bags and Reynolds wrap and all that kind of stuff. So here is one of the tags in the store. It is for food wrap and storage items, and I have my eye on some Ziploc containers. So I'm going to look for the ones that were in the ad. They're green or red, and they're quite large. So here they are. They're for $3.39. Excellent price. I'm just going to grab one of them and add them to my cart. So then the next thing I'm going to grab is some Downy Wrinkle Guard fabric softener. This is the 64-ounce bottle. It is for $9.99. Now I will show you my coupons here in a minute. I like to grab the items and then show you all the coupons. It makes it a little bit easier. Then I'm going to grab some Gain fireworks. These are the big guys. They're 20.1 ounces. They are $11.99. So definitely grab some of these and add them to your cart or your transaction. And as you can see, I'm a little bit full there in my cart. Next, I'm going to grab some Persil because that's me. I love Persil. But there are a lot of other options you can grab, and I'll talk about those at the end of the video. So we're going to grab a big package of those, and then we are all set. We grabbed a small thing of Downy Unstoppables. So we're going to use this $3 off coupon for the Persil. Then we are going to use a, I don't know why I pointed at those, but then we are going to use a $3 off coupon for the Downy Wrinkle Guard. It shows that in the coupon there that there's just a few different things that you can get, but it does work on the Wrinkle Guard. Next, we are going to use a $2 off coupon for the Downy Unstoppables. That works on all the Unstoppable beads. So that's the only coupon we have for that this month.
All right, guys. So I'm back in from Target, and this is all I got. This week I only did one promotion. There was another promotion, but sometimes with Target, it's hard to kind of figure out the deals in advance because you don't know until the day of Sunday, and that's when I can coupon what deals are included. Then I got a couple other cute things that I wanted to show you as well. So let's talk about this deal. So the only promotion that I did was a spend 40, get a $10 gift card. I really like the spend 40, get 10 because it includes things like these right here. And they typically alternate it back and forth, buy 2, get 5. And that's just like laundry items or household items, not really the paper stuff like this or the plastics or whatever you want to call that kind of department. So yeah, they pretty much alternate it back and forth. Last week it was buy 2, get 5. The week before that it was spend 40, get 10. So I'm assuming that next week it'll be buy 2, get 5. I don't know if I will be couponing next week, so there is that. So let's talk about the deal. So I got this guy right here. It is the 8.6 ounce Downy Unstoppables. This was $6.99. And then I got the Gain Fireworks, the 20.1 ounce. This was $11.99. Then I got the Downy Wrinkle Guard. This is just like, Downy fabric softener, but it has a wrinkle guard technology type of thing in there, but it's still just a normal fabric softener. So I know some people, they don't get it because they think it's separate from a fabric softener, and it's not. So there is that. And it was $9.99, and it is a 64-ounce bottle. And then I got the Persil because on Sunday, the Persil coupons were expiring, so I wanted to take advantage of that. But we have Tide coupons, and you can just substitute it for $11.99 Tide or an $11.99 Gain. And I'll tell you the coupons that I used here in a second. And then the last thing I got here, this is kind of whopper jawed. But then I got this guy right here, 2 large rectangle dishes from Ziploc, and those were $3.39. So I thought that was an incredible deal, even if they are not like a permanent thing. I thought they would be good at least for the season. You know what I mean? I am determined to get better Tupperware type stuff. Now I know this isn't exactly Tupperware, but this can be used for quite a while. So anyways, I thought $3.39 was an incredible deal. So coupons. Coupons are a little bit different this month. So I use a $3 off coupon there from the 11:15 Retail Me Not, and that is expired. Now these are P&G products. So there is a $3 off coupon from the December P&G that includes this. I was going to say excludes. It includes this guy right here. It does include 64-ounce wrinkle guard. Now, this guy right here, there was a $2 off coupon for this, and it starts at 8.6 ounces and it goes up to like 26 ounces for the Unstoppable. So there's no $3 coupon for the scent beads this month. The $3 coupon includes this and sheets and I think the Defy beads. So that is it for that. But I did have a $2 coupon for this here from the December P&G. Now this guy right here, this guy, I did not have any Paper Gain coupons, but on coupons.com there is a $3 coupon that you can use for this, a digital coupon of course, and I did get my $3 back within an hour, so that was really, really nice, and it is already in my PayPal. So you do have to pay the full price for this, but you will get the $3 back. It's super, super easy. So basically what you do is you select the offer, you upload your receipt. I did, oh my goodness, I can't even talk, guys. That you do have to scan the item. And then you get a notification that your receipt was accepted, and a little while later you'll get a notification that you have been paid the $3. So that does include this guy right here. So let's talk about the total. So the total for everything was $44.35. Technically, you wouldn't have to get this guy right here to meet the $40 threshold, but I really wanted these. So technically you would just need to get these 4 items here to meet your $40. So let's look at the receipt. So here it says on the receipt that I got the $10 gift card. Here is the Ziploc for $3.39. Here is the Gain for $11.99. And then there is the Downy for $9.99, the Persil for $11.99, and the other Downy for $6.99. My total is $36.35. It's $3 more because I don't have the $3 for that. It comes a different way. Okay, and then you're going to get back the $10 gift card, making it $23.45 for everything, or just $4.67 a piece. Now, as you can see on my receipt here, I had a $10 gift card. So then that would bring my total down to $13.45 for everything. But that's just my out of pocket. That's not like the typical cost of these. Or it would be $2.67 for me personally. If you don't have a gift card, it would be $4.67 for you. And if you're like me and you really, really like getting these full-size items, then, and I mean, not the full-size items, the large items, like this is 40 discs here. This is 64 ounces. Typically, I will only get 25 ounces. This is the big Mamma Jamma here, you know what I mean? This is still full size, but it's not like the big ones, but still. Then over here, last week I got a $20 gift card because I talked to Target Chat and my Dove deal didn't work out. I think it was the Dove body wash, and it should have. And so they gave me a $20 gift card, which was amazing. They did not have to do that. I just wanted the $5 gift card. You know what I mean? So I used that to get some, well, that's what I used for these things here. So these come from the Dollar Spot or the Bullseye Playground. They were $5 a piece. They look really nice and they feel like really nice quality. And so, yeah, then I found this guy right here. Oh my God, my favorite. This was $15, but I used a $20 gift card, and so I only paid $5 for these items here. So really, really happy with that, guys. So yeah, I wasn't able to do the other promotion that was going on. It is it is buy 4, get 5, and it includes toothpaste, deodorant, hair care. And what I was doing is, I don't typically go to this Target. I was driving back home from taking my daughter home from Thanksgiving break, and I was trying to squeeze this in as well. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to at all. And so, yeah, I was a little bit off my game, so I wasn't able to stand there and figure out a deal for that. But that is going on, and you can do things like toothpaste. You can do Tresemme. There's a good coupon for that. And definitely you could do just a digital deal for that. So that's amazing. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, guys, that is all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys next time. So stay safe out there, guys. Stay healthy and stay kind to one another. Bye.